Uniti One was an ambitious electric vehicle (EV) project by a Swedish startup of the same name. It aimed to be a compact, affordable, and environmentally friendly car. The Uniti One was designed for urban environments with a focus on efficiency and maneuverability. Electric powertrain, it was fully electric, aligned with the company's commitment to sustainability. Affordability, the goal was to offer a competitive price point to make electric vehicles more accessible. Innovative technology, the car incorporated advanced features and technology, including a unique seating configuration. Challenges and outcome. Despite the promising concept, Uniti faced significant challenges, including financial constraints. The EV industry is highly capital-intensive, and Uniti struggled to secure sufficient funding. Supply chain issues, global supply chain disruptions, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic, impacted production plans. YOYO is an innovative electric city car designed to meet the needs of urban mobility with practicality, technology, and a distinctive design. This compact vehicle is powered by a 7.5 kilowatts electric motor, allowing it to reach a top speed of 80 kilometers per hour. One of its standout features is the battery swapping system, which enables the 10.4 kilowatt-hours modular battery pack to be easily removed and replaced with a fully charged one. This makes recharging quick and convenient, perfect for city driving. The YOYO offers a range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge, ensuring you can travel freely without frequent stops. Its lightweight design, weighing only 450 kilograms without the battery pack, and its compliance with European safety standards make it a reliable and eco-friendly choice for urban commuters. The YOYO combines an enjoyable driving experience with an unmistakable Italian design, making it a unique and practical option for modern urban transportation. Aptera Alpha is a revolutionary solar electric vehicle (SEV) that redefines efficiency and sustainability in transportation. This three-wheeled marvel boasts an aerodynamic design and lightweight materials, enabling it to achieve an astounding range of up to 1,000 miles on a single charge with its largest 100 kilowatt-hour battery. One of its most innovative features is the integrated solar panels, which can provide up to 40 miles of range per day under optimal sunlight conditions, potentially eliminating the need for daily charging. The Aptera Alpha combines cutting-edge technology with a spacious and comfortable interior, offering an intuitive driving experience. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and reaches a top speed of over 100 miles per hour, making it both efficient and exhilarating to drive. This vehicle represents a significant leap forward in sustainable transportation, blending practicality with futuristic design to offer an eco-friendly and efficient solution for modern commuters. Embrace the future of mobility with the Aptera Alpha and experience the perfect harmony of innovation and sustainability. Microlino Urban, a compact and eco-friendly electric vehicle designed to redefine city commuting. Inspired by the iconic bubble cars of the 1950s, the Microlino combines retro charm with modern technology, offering a stylish and practical solution for urban mobility. Its compact size makes it perfect for navigating crowded city streets and fitting into tight parking spaces, while its electric powertrain ensures a smooth and quiet ride with zero emissions. The Microlino Urban features a minimalist yet functional design, with a spacious interior that comfortably seats two passengers. The front opening door adds a unique touch, making entry and exit easy even in narrow spaces. With a top speed of around 56 miles per hour and a range of up to 143 miles on a single charge, the Microlino is ideal for daily commutes and short trips around the city. This urban microcar is not just about practicality, it also turns heads with its distinctive look and vibrant color options. The Microlino Urban offers a fun and sustainable way to move around the city, blending nostalgic design with cutting-edge innovation to create the perfect urban vehicle for the modern age. Renault Twizy, a unique and futuristic electric vehicle designed for urban living. Compact, agile, and eco-friendly, the Twizy is perfect for navigating the bustling streets of the city. Its ultra-compact design makes it easy to maneuver and park, even in the tightest spots, while its electric powertrain ensures a smooth, quiet ride with zero emissions. The Renault Twizy seats two passengers in a tandem layout, with the driver positioned in front and the passenger directly behind. This arrangement maximizes interior space while keeping the vehicle's footprint minimal. The Twizy's design is both practical and eye-catching, featuring a bold, modern aesthetic with exposed wheels and scissor doors that add a touch of flair. With a top speed of around 50 miles per hour and a range of up to 62 miles on a single charge, the Renault Twizy is ideal for short trips and daily commutes within the city. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of style and sustainability. Whether you're zipping through traffic or finding a parking spot with ease, the Renault Twizy offers a fun, efficient, and environmentally friendly way to experience urban mobility. Hiriko is a revolutionary folding electric car designed for urban environments, developed by the Hiriko Driving Mobility Consortium in Spain and inspired by MIT's CityCar project. This compact vehicle can fold from 2.5 meters to just 1.5 meters, making it perfect for tight parking spaces. It runs on a lithium-ion battery, offering a range of about 120 kilometers (75 miles), and features individual motors on each wheel for 360-degree rotation and exceptional maneuverability. Despite its innovative design, the project faced financial difficulties and was discontinued before mass production. The Hiriko remains a fascinating example of urban mobility innovation, showcasing the potential for future city transportation solutions. Its unique design and capabilities highlight the possibilities for more efficient and adaptable vehicles in crowded urban settings, pointing towards a future where space-saving and eco-friendly transportation becomes the norm. The Hiriko story is a testament to the challenges and triumphs of pioneering new technologies, and it continues to inspire ideas for sustainable urban transport. Squad Solar City Car is a cutting-edge, compact electric vehicle designed for urban mobility, developed by Squad Mobility. This innovative car harnesses solar energy through an integrated panel on its roof, providing up to 20 kilometers of range on sunny days. Its lightweight design ensures easy maneuverability and parking in tight city spaces. The Squad can comfortably accommodate two people and extends its range with portable, swappable batteries. Safety is a priority, with features like a strong roll cage, 3-point seatbelts, and a full crash structure. Environmentally friendly and cost-effective, the Squad Solar City Car is ideal for daily commutes, errands, and short trips, offering a sustainable solution to urban congestion and emissions. This vehicle exemplifies the future of urban transportation, combining efficiency, adaptability, and eco-friendliness to meet the demands of modern city life. Its story is a testament to the potential of solar-powered vehicles in reducing our carbon footprint and enhancing urban mobility. City Transformer CT1 is a revolutionary electric microcar designed to transform urban mobility. Developed by an Israeli company, this innovative vehicle can adjust its wheelbase to adapt to different traffic conditions, becoming narrower for better maneuverability and easier parking, and wider for enhanced stability at higher speeds. With a top speed of 90 km per hour and a range of 120 to 180 km on a single charge, the CT1 is perfect for navigating busy city streets and tight spaces. Its foldable technology and lightweight structure aim to reduce emissions and noise pollution, setting a new standard for sustainable urban transportation. The CT1 has received recognition for its exceptional design and functionality, winning prestigious awards and showcasing the future of city commuting. This shape-shifting microcar exemplifies the potential for innovative solutions to urban congestion and environmental challenges, pointing towards a smarter, cleaner future for city travel. Its story is a testament to the ingenuity and forward-thinking approach needed to tackle the complexities of modern urban life, making it an exciting glimpse into the future of transportation. Silence S04 is a revolutionary electric scooter that redefines urban commuting with its blend of performance, convenience, and sustainability. Boasting a top speed of around 100 km per hour and an impressive range, this scooter is designed to effortlessly navigate city streets. Its standout feature is the removable battery, which allows for easy charging at home or work, eliminating the need for dedicated charging stations. The Silence S04's sleek design is complemented by advanced technology, ensuring a smooth, efficient, and eco-friendly ride. Whether you're weaving through traffic or enjoying a leisurely cruise, this scooter offers a reliable and stylish transportation solution. Its practical features, combined with a commitment to sustainability, make the Silence S04 a top choice for modern urban mobility. Embrace the future of transportation with the Silence S04 and experience the perfect blend of innovation and practicality. Veemo SE is a game-changing pedal electric vehicle designed to transform urban commuting with its innovative features and eco-friendly design. Combining the best of both worlds, it boasts a semi-enclosed structure and the advanced ENVO powertrain system motor, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride. Built to endure all weather conditions, the Veemo SE offers reliability and durability for everyday use. It emphasizes user comfort with ergonomic seating and ample cargo space, making it perfect for daily commutes. Safety is a top priority, with features like street-legal power boost, UL-certified batteries, side mirrors, and headlights integrated to ensure a secure journey. The efficient electric powertrain significantly reduces CO2 emissions, and the advanced battery technology allows for extended travel on a single charge. Whether navigating busy city streets or enjoying a leisurely ride, the Veemo SE provides a practical and eco-friendly transportation solution for modern urban environments. Its blend of comfort, safety, and sustainability makes it an ideal choice for those seeking a reliable and green mode of transport in today's bustling cities. Citroën Ami, a revolutionary ultra-compact electric vehicle designed to transform urban mobility. The Ami is perfect for short city trips and offers a practical, eco-friendly alternative to traditional cars. With its tiny footprint, this microcar is incredibly easy to maneuver and park, making it ideal for navigating congested city streets. The Citroën Ami features a distinctive boxy design with symmetrical panels, which not only gives it a quirky, modern look but also simplifies production and reduces costs. Inside, the Ami seats two passengers side by side, providing a surprisingly spacious and comfortable experience given its small size. Large windows and a panoramic roof flood the cabin with natural light, enhancing the feeling of openness. The Ami is powered by a small electric motor, delivering a top speed of 28 miles per hour and a range of up to 47 miles on a single charge, perfect for daily commutes, quick errands, or leisurely city drives. Charging is simple and convenient, with the Ami able to fully recharge in just 3 hours from a standard household outlet.